I got called out by Adam Williams to do the Ice Bucket Challenge for ALS, and I'm going to do that. But I'm going to call out 3 other people. It's going to be Roxy Christmas, it's going to be Destiny Hinkle, and it's going to be Lucy Shiner. You girls have 24 hours.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, God. Holy sh... Okay.
What?
That was colder than I thought it was going to be. Crap. Okay, see, I did it. Everybody happy? Better be.
Do that again. Get some more water and do that again.
No!
I have one extra request. With it still being hot like it is, and even when winter hits, if anybody could just keep some extra bottles of water in their car, or if they can just keep some snacks in their car, so that if you pass by someone who has little signs that says need food or need money or any of these things, if you could just pull over and give them some water or some snacks. It's kind of like a personal request of mine. If anybody can do that for me, please, that'd be great. Spread the love, everybody.